Hello, welcome to TV Room. David Bradley here. So here I have a data set that is very much like the original PET ones, except it has a counter, and it's kind of off-white. Okay. So, let's see if we have any success with this. I should put the cartridge in. That would mean this was not necessary. Anyway, I'm going to back this up. Maybe I've got it in the wrong way. Hang on. Yeah, I do have it in the wrong way, I think. Maybe I do. I don't know. It's not that long a tape. So this is continuing. By the way, last time I put things in just to search this tape. And it does seem to be doing things. It does. At least it's finding things. Alpha worm shape. Oh, it's just found something called doodle. And this now is checking. Remember, I have I cleaned all the heads. I cleaned all the contacts. And one would think that this would have found something by now. One would think that it would have found something by now, but it's not finding anything. So I press that. I'm going to fast forward. Maybe I did put this in the wrong way around. This is one, you know what, I think because it's like those other ones, it's more likely that I will not take this to the world of Commodore to try and sell it. Because those old things, they might need something. They might. Let me check this again. Load. Play. What kind of mark did I put on that? I put an X on the bottom of this. Once again, it may be there is that old head demagnetization thing that I've heard about. I have heard. And we're still finding, oh, we saw a little flicker. That's not doing much of anything. Seven 773-594. 773-594. Spins okay. Will not load. Oh, bother. Oh, it's not spinning. What's going on here? Well, it was spinning. Oh, maybe because this is, oh, maybe things have locked up. Now what's going on? Oh, the plug came out of the 64. Okay, that would not help anything. Let's try that again. That's not good. That That would certainly not help, but I don't think it's going to make any difference here. Meanwhile, this tape over here is still finding things. Alpha, worm, shape, doodle. Maybe it'll find more. I just don't know. But this is not finding anything. How disturbing. How disturbing. I suppose I should look up the instructions on how to check the alignment on these things. I should. Oh, what's it found? It has found backgammon. I should make a list of these things. And then I should put the tape in a bag. And what are these things for? I don't know. Alpha. Worm. Shape. Doodle. Mind you, if things are written pretty much in BASIC, they might work on a variety of machines, mind you, depending on memory and other such things. Well, this is doing nothing. So, we'll stop, rewind. And say, oh dear. That's not good. Not good at all. But this is still searching. I think, did I put in... No, I didn't put in the 90-minute. I put in the 60-minute tape. I think it was the 60-minute tape. Oh, I'm not sure what it was. Oh, what do we got now? Squares. Oh, that's funny. It's making a bit of a funny noise. So, no, it should pop up if it comes to the end. Is it still spinning? It's still spinning. Okay. Stop. Okay, well, we're not making much progress. Ugh. All right. Let's set that down. And I think we have time to grab another. Funny, this has some tape on it. That might mean something to somebody somewhere. But not to me. Alright. So, turn it on. Oh, is this the one that has trouble ejecting? Oh, come on. Come on. We are ejected. Okay. Yeah, they're really sticky, these things. Well, let's type in load. see if we see anything, which we probably won't. Ready. See right there, I bet you. I bet you that's on right where the leader came out. Load. Okay, so that tape is finished. But if we turn it over and press play, so you didn't ask it to load anything. Just asked it to go look for things. This is how we did things in the old days. We would figure out if we had a tape and we weren't sure, you could always do this. Oh yeah. Come on. Boy, the more I tinker with this, the harder it gets. Oh, and it's locked up tight. Okay. Oh, we found something. We found track play. Alright. So on side 2, draw a line. You found Commodore. Ooh. Load error. Okay. Turn it off. Oh, well, it's not good to pull out the monitor cable. Makes it hard to see. They were both black. Oh, come on. Okay. So we'll pull this out. And oh yeah. Get the tape out. Come on. Boy, boy, boy. All right. That's still searching. All right, so what do we have here? Four 452-110. 452-110. Hard to open. Will not load. Sticky buttons. Oh, this is bothersome. It is. What do we got over here? Nothing. Okay, we're off. We're off. Okay. Back to the drawing board. See you again soon. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.